Amazon Web Services providing free certification course by which you can develop your cloud skills. Hi friends, this is Akshay and today I'm going to show you a free training certificate course from Amazon Web Services. You can see on your screen, it's purely based on application development, how to make application and how Amazon Web Services can contribute on your application. So here you can see AWS Modern Applications online series, which is totally free. It is a start from October 15, 2020 and there are total 4 tracks here. Anyone can participate. There is no prerequisite knowledge required because this total course is divided into 4 tracks: track 1, track 2, track 3 and track 4. In the first one, accelerate modern applications. Second is empowering buildings. Third is modern applications development. And last is digital innovation to rapid prototyping. The first one is for the beginners, that is introduction course. After that there is advanced course, expert course. So they divided this course into 4 levels. And what is most important thing here is there is an opening session, breakout sessions, technical demos and also live question and answer sessions are there. And all the participants, I repeat, all the participants get free certificate from Amazon Web Services. And here is the session timing for India. You can see from 8 am to 12 pm, total 4 hours for complete this. And also initially I mentioned the date is 15th of October. What is the agenda? You can download from here. Also there are downloadable books and e-materials are there. You can read from there. And after that you can attend this session. You can see on your screen that total 4 courses, means 4 tracks are there, and also the subject, the topics which you are going to read in these tracks are mentioned. So you can take a brief knowledge from here what you are going to read on the ongoing sessions. And here is the session description. There are total 4 tracks, and if you click on any of the track, you got all about that. You just go through the link in the description. Just go through description. There is a link. Just tap on it and you reach at this web portal or website, and there you can enroll in this course. But firstly, just watch this full video so you have full idea what is going to happen. As I mentioned, there is introductory, intermediate, other the levels, and here are the 2 instructors from AWS. And after that some frequently asked questions which you wants to ask to me. So here the questions are: where is the event hosted? This is online event, so this is not matter. And after that, if there is a prize, it is free or not? Yes, this is absolutely free. And after that, who should enroll in this event? Anyone can enroll. If you got a confirmation mail on registration, yes you got. And also you got the links of these sessions through emails. Whether you got a certificate or not, yes you got a certificate only for attending. If you attend this course, you got a handsome certificate from AWS. How can I contact event organizers? Here is the email. When you tap on it, there is an email, so you can ask anything about this from organizers. And here after that, ready to get started with AWS, you need to enroll for this. So how to enroll in this, I am going to show you. So let's start to register in this online series. When you tap on this register online series, you got this page where you need to register. There are firstly some terms and conditions. You need to agree with all for attending this online series and getting a certificate. Also, you need to download ebooks and reports from this website, as link is given in this website. So what the information required here: your first name, last name, company name, email address. In the company name, you just put your college name if you are a college student. And after that, your phone number, all the information about it is required. About your company name, you just enter your college information. And I think all the information is very. You enroll in this and also share with your friends. Thank you for watching.